I don't think I'm going to be taking any trade today because for the past 2 days I've been finding it hard to analyze the chart. I don't have enough time to analyze all the charts, all my wins and losses. I haven't gotten much time to analyze my mistake, and also I have plans to talk with my mom. I don't want her call to come in the middle of my trading section, and I know my mom, her call can come in at any time. When I woke up from bed this morning, my subconscious mind spoke to me. After an aggressive push down, wait for a doji and a big candle, then take the trade. You don't know. That is one formula I use as an entry. I find this quote inspiring. That you qualify as unskilled person to win did not mean you should stay unskilled. Get education, get knowledge, more knowledge, more knowledge. I've been finding a way to arrange this doji candle formation, how it's going to be more simpler for me. To be honest, firstly, I don't know where to start. I'm very reluctant analyzing the chart. Mostly those trades that I took that I won, I need to know the formation and what I see. Also, the one I took that went wrong, I must know what I did or maybe the mistake I did that make the trade went wrong. I just summoned my courage. I grabbed my pen, I grabbed my journal. I started writing what I see. I wrote MACD, moving average, stochastic oscillation, trend, results. Immediately I wrote that, I got an idea how to place everything. I don't know if you are going to believe this. I've been trying to figure out what I discovered today for the past 8 days, and I'm really glad I discovered it. Without wasting any more of my time, I jumped on the chart and I started analyzing everything bit by bit, candle by candle, trend by trend, indicator by indicator. Suddenly, my mom's call entered, so I had to stop all what I'm doing. I picked her call. We spoke like around 20 minutes. The call should be minimum of 1 hour, but there is a huge network problem. Network problem. We could not talk up to 1 hour, so we only spoke like 20 minutes before we ended the call because the service is frustrating. Is frustrating. Then I resumed analyzing my chart back. When I analyzed up to 6 charts front and back in total with detail by detail, I did something because I was excited. I did something that in my life, I will never try it again. I twist my head twice like this. I'm going to do it in slow mo. One, two. The feeling brought back my childhood memory. Then I thought if I repeat the same action, I'm going to get more memory. Like I'm going to unlock all those childhood memories. Then I did it again. I twisted my head. But now I did it more faster and I did it more than twice. But instead of getting my childhood memory, I felt tipsy. When I was feeling tipsy, I should have figured it out that it is a setup. I shouldn't have tried the third one. But because I enjoyed the feeling of my childhood memory and I felt like more excited when I felt tipsy, what did I do? I did it again. This is now more than twice. I keep rolling my head. I was doing it faster. I was feeling tipsy. I was feeling happy. I was feeling high. Then I stopped. Immediately I stopped. I opened my eyes. Everywhere was rolling. Everywhere was rolling that I thought I am on a roller coaster. I quickly grabbed my chair and hold it tightly. Then I have to close my eye back in order to like make everything settle. When everything settled, I tried to open my eyes. It's like my battery percent was on 60%. It dropped down to minus 20% because I felt very, very tired. And in the next 30 minutes, I went to the toilet because my stomach was just disturbing me. So I'm going to be ending everything because I got tired of playing too much. In my life, I'm not going to try it again. So the moral of today and the video and for me is that don't worry, don't care about where you are starting. Just make sure you know where you are going. And the moment you take a step, everything will start falling in place because that is what I got today. I've been trying to figure out this thing for the past 8 days. Immediately I grab my pen and my journal. I just keep writing it, and as I'm writing it, the path keep clearing. I keep seeing clear path. If you are new here, don't forget to blow that subscribe button for more content. Till tomorrow.